Hello students, this is your computer sir, Santosh sir, and today we are going to start our chapter number 1, that is Introduction to Computers. You have already learned about computer in previous classes and in previous years also, and you know many things about computers. Even you know the generation of computers, the history of computers, the uses of computers. But once again, here we will learn about the introduction to computers. First, we come to the topic characteristics of computers. A computer is a very useful machine. It has many characteristics. Some of its characteristics are superior even to human beings. Let's discuss the common characteristics of a computer. As you all know, a computer is an electronic machine, and an electronic machine needs an electric supply to work on, and every electronic machine got some characteristics and features according to which they are got popularity. So here characteristic of computer says number 1, speed. The speed of this machine is very fast. It performs complicated calculation in a few seconds that a human being does in many years. It processes millions of instructions per second. MIPS says that millions of instructions per second. It means a computer do many type of calculation within a second. Accuracy. A computer performs its task accurately. It never commits a mistake while calculating. When the input data and the set of instructions are correct, the result produced is accurate. As computer is an electronic machine, so we all know that the input or the data what we feed in the machine, according to that the machine performs and gives the output. If the input data what we are giving to the computer is correct, then only we get the correct answer. Large memory. As you all know that human brain got a memory, but not like a huge type of memory can be captured or stored in that. But in computer we got a huge memory device in which we can store many type of files, images, videos, songs, anything. A computer has a large memory. It stores a large amount of data in its memory and retrieves them whenever required. Now come to diligence. A computer works tirelessly for a long time. Unlike human beings, it never feels bored or get tired. When 10 million calculations are to be performed, a computer performs the 10 millionth calculation exactly with the same accuracy and speed as it performed the first one. It shows the patience and the work time how a computer perform. As we know, human being get tired after some time, but a computer never get tired, never gets slow. Versatility. A computer does a variety of tasks. Suppose a computer is busy preparing the result of a particular examination. The next month it gets the task of solving sum, and all along it may also be used for playing songs. Briefly, a computer is capable of performing almost any task provided the task is reduced to a set of instructions. It means that if you are playing a game and at the same time you want to hear your favorite music, both the option is properly work within the computer. Limitations. As you know, if the machine is getting or showing some features, then it must be some limitation for that machines. A computer is a wonderful machine, but it also has certain limitations. No intelligence. A computer is a machine. It does not possess intelligence of its own. It is dependent on the user for performing a task. It cannot take its own decision Everything must be given as a set of instruction. It does only what it is told to do by a command. Until a user gives a command to the computer cannot perform, because it's an electronic machine which perform according to the command given by the user. No feelings. A computer does not have feelings or emotions. Based on other feeling, taste, knowledge and experience, we often make decisions in our day-to-day life, but a computer cannot make judgments and decisions by itself. It's a machine. As we know, the feelings only a human being have, not the machines. Now here we come to generation. There are 5 types of generation. Generation to generation, the technology, the device are changed for the user to work updately. Do you know that the term generation means in terms of time, it means age group. For example, you are your parent's child. Similarly, your father is your grandparent's child. So your parents are in first generation of your grandparents and you are in second generation of your grandparents. Hence, in the case of your grandfather, father and you, there are 3 generations. Similarly, the computer also has different generation. So, how many types of generation we have? We have 5 types of generation. Computer are classified into 5 generations based on the technology used, the way they work and their size. So, here we come for first generation computer. First generation computer invented in 1942. Okay, 1942, and this type of computer worked till 1955. First generation computer had the following features. They used vacuum tubes. They were very expensive. They were very heavy and large in size. They generated a lot of heat. Example, ENIAC, EDVAC and UNIVAC. This type of computer takes large space, like a space for your bedrooms, or we can say like your house got a hall. In that much space, this type of machine can be installed. In this type of machines, we use vacuum tubes and it costs very high. And the electricity, what it consumes, takes a lot. And it also generates a large amount of heat. When come to second generation computer started in 1956 and worked till 1964. Second generation computer had the following features. They used electronic devices called transistors. They were smaller in size than first generation computers. They were faster and less expensive than first generation computers. For example, ENIAC 1401, IBM 700, CDC 160. This type of computers were replaced by vacuum tubes to transistors, and the size of the computer gets little small as compared to first generation computer. Come to cost, little low cost, but the time taken for the output is the same. So here we have completed till second generation, and in next video I will continue with the third generation computers. Okay children, till then, bye.